there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the Styletone box. Okay, so let me rip this box apart because y'all know me and boxes, we don't match. So when I can finally open this freaking box up, there we go, okay. The inside looks like this. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the little satchel that we have and the little magazine, and then the box is empty. So let's see, this is the booklet and it says powerful female. This seems to be like a trend with all of these boxes, because all of these boxes are pretty much like go women and girl power and I don't know, girl boss and whatever. Great. I don't know what to say about, like, okay. Let's see, beautiful things inside. So let's open up the satchel and just grab the first little thing, something from After Spa. This is a cleansing puff for the daily cleanse of your face, ideal for deep cleansing. Really? Isn't this like just your no. Oh, okay. It looks different, but I will honestly say that I use like this, what's it called, from Philips, the Visapure brush thing, and that one works miracles. So I don't know how much I will use this fella. So this is what that looks like, and you can't really see anything but the sponge. Hold on. Let me try and get like a little bit on top. That fuzzy little thing over here, that's the sponge bit. And let's see what the directions say. They say wet and gently massage all over your face to remove daily impurities and dead skin. Best results for best results, replace every 60 days. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna use this. So let's check the booklet and see what it says in here about this particular sponge. And let me find it. Where are you? Come on. Wow, the booklet's like stuck together. Oh, it's over here. So the After Spa Cleansing Puff, clearly a full size, because in Styletone all of the items are always full size. This little fella costs €6. Okay, so I just tried something. I turned off that light over here. Let me move it for a second because I feel like the camera is always kind of orange yellowish. Anyway, let's move on to my little satchel. There we go. And let's grab something else out of there. Let's grab, whoa, oh, I got something big, I think. Hold on. Ooh, oh yeah, that's definitely big. This is, hold on, are there two things in here? I think there are. This is from Kaolin. It's the R2M Silk Kaolin Pink Clay Mask. And then on top is the R2M Silk Nourish Ampoule Essence. I'm not really sure what that is, but this is basically, that was my phone. But this is basically one thing, and then this is a mask over here. Yeah, so this is, let's read the mask. Memory Tension Fabric plus Silky Rich Ampule. An ampule, that's what it is. Okay, so pretty cool. So I'm just gonna assume that you put on the mask first, and when you're done, you put on like this little ampule thingy, like basically like a serum thing. It's not kind of the same, but it kind of is the same. If you catch my drift. Anyway, this is what the little sucker looks like. Now let's see in the booklet how much this costs. Oh, geez. Yeah, it's over here. Oh, the mask is actually like a two-parter mask. So you got like a mask for your eyes and nose, and then you get a mask for like your chin, cheeks, and mouth, which is great because like the masks that are in one piece, especially like my nose area and the lip area, never really matches up. So that's really cool. So they say that the pink clay mask is €14, and I'm just gonna assume that we just, with this particular item, just get the ampule with it, like the little sample size. I'm not really sure, don't hit me with a rock, but I'm just gonna assume that. Okay, moving on to something from Masada Milano, the Viva blush in, ooh, kinky. Number 204, kinky. So this is what that little sucker looks like, and over here, see, it says kinky. I'm not really sure. I do know that I have like two Masada Milano blushes already. One I'm actually wearing today. But I do own them, and they're both very, very orange. Is it sealed? It's not sealed, so I am going to open it. I'm not going to touch it because maybe I will do this in a giveaway because it looks a hell of a lot like the blush that I already own that I'm wearing today. I really do enjoy that blush, but it is not the best blush in the world. Just going to put that out there. Let me put it back. I really have to check with this one if it's not the same color that I already own, because I do remember receiving this particular blush in a box. Can't remember which one. Oh, it's right here. So the Masada Milano blush is 10 euros and 90 cents, and you can actually get 3 different colors, and I'm kind of bummed out that I didn't receive this pink one or the brown one, actually, because the pink one would have been great. I don't own a lot of pink blushes anymore, and I do own a hell of a lot of coral tone blush because they are kind of my favorite blush. But I will have to check, you know, with my blushes to see whether or not I have this one. If I have this one, you'll see this in a giveaway along the way. Okay, 2 more items, and then satchel is empty. So let's start off with this from Hot Makeup. Okay, it's all about BB Beauty Balm Cream. Okay, in H001, like over here. I don't know if you can see this particular little dot, but there's a dot here. Doesn't really say anything much. Since there is a dot though, I'm just gonna assume this is like a concealer or something, because it says Beauty Balm Cream, and it's too small to be foundation, so I'm just going to assume it's going to be in concealer, and I'm just going to assume also that we received more colors, so I will not open it just yet to check. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. It's number 1. Yeah, it's Hot Makeup BB Cream, and it costs 19 euros, but indeed, we could get a hell of a lot of colors. 6 to be exact. I'm not really sure if, like, the booklet is showing that. But the lightest shade is AB01. I think personally I'm going to be AB01, and I received, what did I say, AB50. Whoa, I received the darkest shade out of them all. So I'm not even going to open this. I would like to see what the little wand looks like, but I'm not going to touch it because I know I'll be giving this away, especially to one of the beautiful ladies of color out there, because this is way too dark for me. Just wow. Oh, wow. The wand is beautiful. Wow. It's not sealed, so I will open it, and this is basically what that looks like. I'm not going to touch it. Don't worry about it. See, I'm like really far away. I'm not going to touch it or anything, so I'm just going to assume that over here squirt out the product, but the little like wand thing is just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I wish I had it in my shade. Unfortunately, I don't, so it's kind of a bummer. Did I mention the price? I think I did, but it's 19 euros, and you know what? For this particular of a little thing, I just wish that Styletone had like a little profile where I could write them, like the Look Fantastic box, for example. They do have that, where I could just write and say I'm very light skin toned and like a warm undertone or whatever. But basically, so we can fill that in so we don't have to trade up, because receiving products that are not your skin type is useless, and I don't like to put money into a box when I get these beautiful items. They look so freaking amazing, and then I end up not using them because I can't, because it's not the good color. So I do really wish Styletone had something like that. Okay, last item in the box is something from Looks Fantastic. Looks Fantastic? Looks Fantastic. Really? Looks Cosmetics, sorry. It's lip gloss in Macaron Pearl. Okay, sounds good. Ooh, I actually didn't ruin the box this time. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, this color is perfect. This is like the exact same color that I have on my eyes right now. This is, wow, incredible. Okay, I'm gonna test this out immediately. It's a lip gloss, so I'm assuming it's not gonna be a liquid freaking lipstick where my lips dry out. It says lip gloss, so it should be a gloss. I'm a little bit concerned. Oh. Oh, guys. Okay, I don't mean to be a bitch, but this smells like it's, and it's crooked, by the way. But it smells like it's past its due date, and like, I'm kind of afraid to put this on lips, but I'm gonna use the viewfinder, so I'm gonna get really up close and personal. Where are my lips? There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna try it. I literally just see like, yeah, it does not smell good. Ooh. It literally smells like it's past its due date. It's done for. That's what it smells like. I don't know. I was so excited, but then I smelled it and I'm just like, ugh. Feels very nice and soft. I will say that. Oh, the color is just perfect. Perfect for like the makeup that I'm wearing right now. I swear to God, I know what expired makeup smells like, and this is the smell. So, I don't know. How many times could you say I don't know? I don't know what's going on, but not really happy about that. If this just had like a good scent to it, this would have been like the best product in this box, because I'm not really liking this box so far, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. It says over here that we could get 3 different colors. I got definitely the most beautiful color out there, but it smells, I don't know. I think I have to contact Styletone about this because it smells expired. I know damn well expired makeup smells like, because I have expired makeup, and it smells like that. Damn. Anyway, the gloss is beautiful, and I like the fact that it goes like thicker on top. It's got like a good, how can I say, it's a good solid piece, you know, to grab in your hand. It just, I don't know, it looks beautiful. And it's 18 euros and 95 cents. Okay guys, and that is it. That is this month's Styletone box. What do I think of the box? It's not the best box out there, but it's not a bad one either. I love like the gloss and especially the mask. Y'all know I love masks, so this is just amazing. I was wearing one earlier today, so I love this, and I just love everything about this gloss. I just wish the scent was different. I will contact Styletone, and you know what? I'll contact other people who receive the box first, because I have a lot of friends of mine who have the box as well, and I'm gonna ask them if theirs stinks or if their gloss has a nice fragrance to it, because if theirs has a nice fragrance, something's up with my gloss, and if theirs stinks as well, then maybe we just all got a wrong batch, or yeah, I don't know how you would sell this gloss. There's just no way they would have put out a gloss like this that smells like this. No. Anyway, I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all once more for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!